Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to start a chat in Element Messenger step by step. Element Messenger lets you send secure, end-to-end encrypted messages to other Matrix users, making it easy to communicate privately across multiple devices. So let's get started. First, open the Element Messenger app on your computer or mobile device and sign in to your Matrix account. Once you're on the home screen, wait for your conversations and contacts to finish syncing. Next, click or tap the new chat, start chat, or compose button, depending on the version of Element you're using. You'll be prompted to search for the person you want to message. Now enter the person's Matrix ID, username, or display name into the search bar. Select the correct contact from the search results. If you don't know their Matrix ID, ask them to share it with you before continuing. After selecting the contact, a new private chat will open automatically. Type your message into the text box at the bottom of the screen, then click or tap the send button. You can also attach files, send images, or share other supported content directly from the conversation window. Finally, if both users have encryption enabled, verify each other's devices to increase the security of your private conversations and help ensure you're communicating with the correct person. And that's it. You now know how to start a chat in Element Messenger and securely communicate with other Matrix users. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.